Well, yesterday, the U.S. Senate narrowly passed an updated version of President Donald Trump's sweeping tax and spending cuts package. The multi-trillion-dollar bill would unlock tax cuts and funding boosts for national security.
It's expected to be partly paid for by the largest cuts to the federal safety net in decades. CNN's Michael Yoshida explains what this could mean for you and your family.
From seniors to college students, the wealthy to the poor, nearly every American could be affected by President Donald Trump's mega bill.
This bill has something for everybody.
The legislation, dubbed the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, narrowly passed the Senate Tuesday, reduces taxes for nearly all households. But a Tax Policy Center analysis shows nearly 60% of those cuts would benefit only the top 20% of U.S. households, those making $217,000 or more yearly, while most middle and low-income Americans may not notice much of a change in their tax bill. It also temporarily provides tax breaks for some workers who get tips or overtime, and senior citizens through 2028.
Our goals were, how do we create an economy which works for working and middle America?
There's also roughly $150 billion in new funding for the president's immigration agenda, including money for a border wall, ICE's enforcement efforts, and detention centers. Some $3.3 trillion to the national deficit over a decade, according to the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office.
We're adding debt to our children and grandchildren who are defenseless. Debt is a curse.
And the biggest cuts to the federal social safety net in decades, including food assistance, the Affordable Care Act, and Medicaid.
Donald Trump's One Big Ugly Bill rips health care away from more than 17 million Americans.
Experts say it would have a ripple effect throughout the healthcare system, especially on rural hospitals, which likely would have to reduce staff, limit services, or close their doors entirely. In Washington, I'm Michael Yoshida reporting.